Okay, the next problem is example 1.12. If A is given, A is equal to a given over 3 cross 3 matrix which is orthogonal, find A, B and C and hence find A inverse. Okay, so this word orthogonal is new to us because we are here only about adjoint and inverse, and this orthogonal is new. And what is meant by orthogonal? If A is a square matrix, okay, if A is a square matrix and it is said to be orthogonal if it satisfies this condition. The condition is satisfied pannichu, we'll say this square matrix is an orthogonal matrix. In the condition A transpose equal to A transpose A equal to I. In the condition is satisfied pannichu, we'll say this matrix, this A matrix is an orthogonal matrix. Okay. So we are going to relate this condition to an inverse condition. Inverse நமக்கு தெரியும் எப்போ ஒரு matrix inverse னு சொல்றோம் அது non similar ஆ இருக்கணும் and அது ஒரு square matrix ஆ இருக்கணும் of order n whatever it is. Order n square matrix ஆ இருக்கணும் அது non similar ஆ இருக்கணும் ரெண்டு condition satisfy பண்ணனும் and moreover in the condition that is A inverse equal to A inverse A equal to I இந்த condition satisfy பண்ணுச்சு அப்படினா இந்த A inverse இந்த matrix ஓட inverse அப்படினு சொல்றோம். So இந்த ரெண்டு கண்டிஷனையும் ரிலேட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. இதுவும் ஸ்கொயர் மேட்ரிக்ஸ்க்கான கண்டிஷன் தான், இதுவும் ஸ்கொயர் மேட்ரிக்ஸ்க்கான கண்டிஷன் தான். இங்க A transpose equal to A transpose A is equal to I ன்னு இருக்கு. இங்க A inverse equal to A inverse A equal to I ன்னு இருக்கு. அப்ப இதுல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படினா A inverse is equal to A transpose அப்படிங்கற ஒரு கண்டிஷன் நம்ம கொடுக்கலாம். எப்போ if a matrix is a square matrix and non similar matrix, then இந்த ரெண்டு கண்டிஷன் satisfy பண்ணும்போது இதுல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் A inverse is equal to A transpose னு கொடுக்கலாம். அப்ப A inverse is equal to A transpose ஆ இருந்துச்சு அப்படினா நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்க மேட்ரிக்ஸ் கண்டிப்பா ஆர்த்தோகனல் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ஆ இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? Now we are going to solve the problem. So they are given it is an orthogonal matrix. So அதுக்கு நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன் அப்படினா I'm going to prove just A transpose இந்த கண்டிஷன் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் நம்ம ஆர்த்தோகனல் சொன்னதுனால I have taken this condition. In the condition use பண்ணி I am going to find the value of A, B and C. Okay, so is orthogonal கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, கொடுத்துட்டு find A, B, C அப்படினு கேட்டதனால orthogonalக்கான condition A transpose equal to I அப்படிங்கிறதுனால நம்ம condition யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம். Okay, now what is our A? 1/7. Okay, 1/7 into 6 minus 3A B minus 2 6 2C3 and A transpose is again it's going to be 1/7 transpose அப்படிங்கிறதுனால இது 6. Okay, so condition for orthogonal is A transpose equal to I. The condition for the orthogonal is A transpose equal to I, and here this is A matrix நான் இங்க எடுத்து எழுதிட்டது A transpose and I is equal to 1 0 0 and you know the identity matrix for 3 cross 3. Now just in the 1/7 நானே என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன் 1/49 எழுதிட்டேன். Now I am going to do an ordinary multiplication in the row in the column. Okay va? So 6 6 are 36 and minus 3 plus 9 and plus A square. A will be A square. Now again this row and this column. So paranga 6B minus that is plus 6 and A into 6 is plus 6A. Okay, next this row this column paranga என்ன இருக்கு 12 minus 3C plus 3A which is equal to எனக்கு அந்த identity matrix அப்படி இருக்கும். Next second row paranga what is it? 6B minus 6 plus 6A. Now second column paranga this is again B square plus 4 plus 36. Again next is 2B minus 2C plus 18. Okay, next third row 2 6 are 12 minus 3C plus 3A. Okay, so this 3 into A. Next is this column again 2B minus 2C plus Next is the row 4 plus c square plus 9, which is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now what I am going to do is I am going to bring this 49 this side. Okay. Now we will be getting, and you have to simplify this, and everything has two variables. Here you have 36 plus 9, which we can write as 45 plus a square, and here we have 6b plus 6 plus 6a, and you cannot do anything there. So 6b plus 6a plus 6, and here next is, what is it? 12 minus 3c plus 3a, and second row is again 6b minus 6 plus 6a. Okay. Next is b square plus 4 plus 36, and next is 2b minus 2c plus 18, and next is 12 minus 3c plus 3a, and 2b minus 2c plus 18, 4 plus c square plus 9, and which is equal to 49 0 0 0 49 0 0 0 49. So here we can equate, because this matrix is equal to this matrix, so we can equate each and every term. Okay. So either in the 49 கூட equate பண்ணலாம், I can equate this to this 0, this to this 0. எல்லா வேல்யூமே ஒன்னோட ஒன்னு நம்ம equate பண்ணிக்கலாம். So if I equate here, இந்த a square ல equate பண்ணனா, for example 45 plus a square is equal to 49. So I am getting a square is equal to 4. Here I used to get a is equal to plus or minus 2. So here I am getting what? Two values for a, but I can have only a single value for a. Okay. So for that we are not going to take this value. We are just going to take either this or any other. By equating equal to 0, we will find the value. Okay. So now I am going to equate this to 0. We can get a and b here. Here if I equate this, I will get a and c. And similarly, if I equate this, I will get b and c. So we will be getting three equations, that is 6a plus 6b plus 6 is equal to 0. And the second equation is 12 minus 3c plus 3a equal to 0, and the third equation is 2b minus 2c plus 18 is equal to 0. So on solving these three equations, you can find the value of a, b and c. Okay. So using simultaneous equation, you have to solve this three equations. How can we solve this? See, here you have 6a plus 6b equal to 6, and here you have a and b, here you have a and c, here you have b and c. You can take any two equations. See, I am going to take this two equations, 6a plus 6b equal to minus 6. Here I have 3a minus 3c equal to minus 12. Okay. So I am solving this. If you multiply this with 2, what you will be getting? 6a plus 6b equal to minus 6. This becomes 6a minus 6c equal to minus 24. Now I just cancel this 6a. I will be getting 6b plus 6c equal to, what is this? 18. Okay, plus 18. So the next equation is 6b plus 6c equal to 18. And now I am going to, so let it be equation 1 2, 3. On solving 1 and 2, I got this equation 4. Now I am going to solve 3 and 4. On solving 3 and 4. What is third equation here? 2b minus 2c equal to minus 18. And the fourth equation is 6b plus 6c equal to plus 18. Now just multiply this by 3. Then you will be getting 6b minus 6c equal to minus, what is this if you multiply by 3? 4, 2, 54. Okay. Again 6b plus 6c is equal to 18. I just cancel this. 12b is equal to 6, 4, 36. So b is equal to what? 3. Okay. So the value of b is equal to, minus 3, minus 36 minus 3. And similarly we can substitute this b in any of these three equations. We can get the value of a, and next by substituting a we get the value of c. Okay. And the value of a, b and c is a is equal to, and just substitute the value and find. I am going to give minus 3 here. 2 minus 3 minus 2c equal to minus 18, and minus 6 minus 2c equal to minus 18, minus 2c is equal to minus 12, and c is equal to 6. Okay. Next is where I have a is in equation 1 I have a. 3 also. Okay. 6a plus 6 of minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Okay. So 6a is equal to minus 18 equal, 6, and 6a is equal to minus 6 plus 18 is equal to plus 12, and 6a is equal to, again it is 2. And the value of a is 2, and the value of b is minus 3, and value of c is 6. Okay. So I have found the value of a, b and c, and I have to find the value of a inverse. As I said before, a inverse is equal to a transpose, isn't it? So if you find the value of a transpose, that is going to be the value of a inverse. Okay. So we have found the value of a, b and c, and finally we have to find the a inverse using this formula. A inverse is equal to a transpose. So substitute this a, b, c in that A matrix, and after you can find the value of A transpose. So now I am going to substitute the value of A, B, C in A matrix. What is our A here? It is 1 by 7, and we have found the value of A, B and C. That is 6 minus 3. What is our A? It is going to be 2. B is minus 3, minus 2, 6, 2, and C is going to be 6, 3. And this is our A matrix, and we know that what? A inverse, A transpose is equal to A inverse. Okay, so now A inverse is equal to, I have to take only transpose for this matrix. So this is 1 by 7, 6 minus 3, 2, and minus 3 minus 2, 6, 2, 6, 3. And this is my A inverse.